Yeah, hello. My name is Boakes, one of the directors of BOA. We had this light bulb moment of bringing the solution to the need, where the need is in getting contractors to repair do their own hydraulic repairs, their own hose repair work. So out of that, we had a dream of providing a mobile facility. We wanted it to be unique, something that's nothing around like it, and we had a lot of prototyping, a lot of design, till we got to a model that we're producing in production now. It's been an interesting journey, and now we've just released it, so it's exciting to see something that we had a vision for sort of come into fruition.
It's just gone 2 years since we prototyped our first state-of-the-art BOApod facility. It's been an exciting and interesting journey. It's gone super fast. It's great just to stop for a moment and reflect just how far BOA has come through that time. It's now March 21. We've manufactured 55 BOApods for the New Zealand market in just 15 months. There's been a number of upgrades along the way, including features such as solar charging. There's been greater storage. We've redesigned the oil trays, added mud tyres. We've also included a ute and standalone option to the BOApod family. We haven't just been making trailers, we've created a revolutionary software application for the hydraulic hose repair industry, which we call the BOAhub. A significant percentage of our daily orders are now being placed through the BOAhub because it is so easy to use. We've started a network of hydraulic hose technicians to deliver hydraulic uptime through innovation to the primary industries of New Zealand. The BOA team has grown significantly. We've got 8 new staff, and revenue growth is up 50%. That's just across the past 12 months. It's been a heck of a ride, but we've only just started. The BOA innovation roadmap is chock-a-full with a number of releases planned for 2021. We're so passionate just to deliver on our purpose of turning wasted time back into profit for primary industries that operate hydraulic machinery. The future is super exciting here at BOA.